So this is a video of me fixing the Thule T2 Pro cam on the 2-inch receiver. I've had this rack for a number of years. I do maintenance on it. It's about 6 years old. This is the generation without the wheels on it. It's been great, very solid. I tend to really tighten this up to make sure nothing wiggles at the back of the vehicle. I've also got the extension on it. But this year when I put it on for the first time, this thing snapped off. So the rod that holds the cam through to the handle, it snapped. So looking at the Thule catalog, unfortunately they don't sell the replacement piece for this. They want to basically sell you the full arm assembly. I'm in Canada, so this thing net new is about $1,000. The arm itself is probably around 600. So I've looked online to see if somebody else made the rod that fits in here. There's an American company that does so, but me being in Canada again, by the time I get it in here, it's about like $250. So I thought, hey, let's take a stab at fixing this. So here's the rod assembly. This is the handle that sticks out with the bracket that holds it up. This is a rod, and this is where this piece originally was connected at the end of this. So what happens is there's a lot of torque on this small diameter M8 essentially threaded piece to the point where, you know, with all the torque you're putting on it and the cam action that really gets the hit of all that bumping, it really affects the thread and the integrity of the metal here. It's unfortunately that Thule didn't make this at M10, but it is what it is, right? So to fix this, I got these coupling nuts. Again, everything's M8 by 1.25 thread pitch. So what I did is I calculated how much thread I needed to get this thing on, and then basically bought a pretty decent grade. I think it's grade 1.9 or 12.9, which is hardened steel. So I bought these in 80 millimeter lengths. I bought these in 45, and I've got these two locking nuts. So what I'm ending up doing is basically I've used the threader to extend the thread from where it stops naturally here on the rod and extended way past into the bare shaft here, so that I can essentially fit this piece in here with a locking nut on this side. So I've chopped this off. I'm going to take this piece out altogether of this cam, and I've chopped off the head off of this extension, and I'm going to basically put it here with this nut on this side, lock everything up with this red Loctite type 271, and you know, really make sure it's tightened up. Hopefully this will work, but again, you know, all of this together probably cost me no more than $40, which, if it works, is a pretty good deal compared to buying this whole assembly at, like I said, probably 200, 250, or the whole arm from Thule at probably close to 600. So hope this helps anybody that's having the same issues as I am. So here's the result with it sort of put in place in sequence, how it'll fit within this this receiver. So at the end of it, you've got your nylon bolt with the retainer that keeps it sort of in square here with the cam or the wedge. And this is basically the new piece with the new threaded rod. It's exactly the same length, and as mentioned, this actually clears the nuts when tightening up, so I have as much thread as I used to before the fix. So best of luck, and share. Thanks.